everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going back to basics. We're going to be making a homemade ranch dressing mix similar to one that I've made in the past, only we have scaled down the recipe and we have changed it up just a little to make it even more flavorful and more delicious. This is going to be able to be used throughout the holiday season for your cheese balls, your dips, or even as a giftable. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to put together some homemade ranch dressing mix. This is going to be so helpful for you throughout the holiday season to have on hand. You're going to be able to make a lot of different things with this. Everything from a simple sour cream and ranch dip to a bacon ranch cheese ball. This is my go-to ranch dressing recipe. I have zhuzhed it up a little. I've made a couple of changes and I've made a smaller batch for you because this is the perfect amount to mix together to give as a holiday gift. In order to start, you're going to need 1 cup of dry milk powder. This is just non-fat dry milk powder. Mine comes fine ground because I buy it online, but you can just use whatever dry milk powder you can find in the grocery store, no problem. A 1/4 cup of parsley flakes, and all of these other things are 1 tablespoon measurements, except for the celery seed. So I have a teaspoon of celery seed, and the rest are all 1 tablespoons. Dill weed, onion powder, garlic powder, minced onion, granulated sugar, salt, and cracked black pepper. This is super easy. Ranch dressing is a favorite and it's really simple. And maybe you didn't know how simple it was, but now you're gonna find out. I did a recipe video for a big batch version several years ago, 6 years ago to be certain. And this is my version of ranch dressing. It's almost the same, but a little bit different. I wanted to make it a little bit smaller because some people don't need to make a quart of ranch dressing mix all at one time. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take all of your ingredients and you're gonna pop them in a bowl just like that, and you're gonna mix it up really well with your whisk. And you know what? This smells like ranch dressing. Smells incredible, actually. And this is super simple to put together, and it's really great to have on hand. Like I said, I always have a great big jar of this on hand. And now we're just gonna pop this into a mason jar, just like that. And now you're ready to make ranch dressing. In order to make ranch dressing, you're going to use a cup of mayonnaise, a cup of buttermilk, and a heaping tablespoon of this mix. If you want to make, you can make so many things with this. Ranch dressing is an excellent flavorizer. You could really consider it another spice blend in your pantry. And we're going to be making a couple of things out of this week. We had to start by making the ranch dressing, and look for 2 more videos this week where we're going to be making a dip and a cheese ball, and I can't wait to share those with you. And they may seem super simplistic, but during the holiday season there is nothing better than good old-fashioned comfort food, and the simpler the better. And it all starts with this delicious homemade ranch dressing mix, which is also a great giftable gift in a jar, and you could consider giving that. If you gave this with a cheese ball to your neighbor and then shared the recipe for this and the cheese ball, what a great gift. Then they get to put that in their recipe box, and next year they can make it for their friends and family. That is how you make homemade ranch dressing mix. Ready to go, ready to gift, ready to use, ready to enjoy. I hope you give it a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, happy holidays.